Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to turn off community notifications on your Glassdoor app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, just go down, click here on profile here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on account settings. So then you come to this list here and you click here on push and email notifications. Then you click here on edit email settings here. So then you come to this list here, just switching to open video here. So then all you have to do now, when it's going to show for you, you click here on community here and you come to this list here. Then here can you turn off community notifications here for email, like you see. So when color it's gone, that means it's turned off with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.